guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Ego Tripping and I'm back with another video. I am back with another bomb video. Anyways, I'm back with another video. So y'all, I look a little off. Y'all can tell, y'all can see what's off. It's the eyebrows. So let me just say this first, that I have a hell of a time doing eyebrows. I've always have. That's something that I haven't quite mastered or even came close to getting down packed is my eyebrows. I struggle with my eyebrows on a day-to-day basis. I really do. I struggle with my eyebrows on a day-to-day basis, and as easy as it may look, it is not for me at least. So this is going to be a sponsored video. This video is going to be sponsored by IMETHOD Beauty. I actually just did a video using their blush, which was absolutely, it was wonderful. You guys go check that out because the blush was it was a nice blush, and I'm digging blushes. So anyhow, this is neither here nor there. This is not about the blush. It's about these eyebrows. And let me tell you, okay, if you struggle with your eyebrows, then y'all might want to check this out. So IMETHOD Beauty reached out to your girl and wanted to send me an eyebrow stencil kit, which I am showing you guys today. And when I tell you, it really works, and it saved me minutes. I actually it saved a lot of time. Actually, it saves a lot of time, and I actually just washed them off to put it back on. I was on my way out the door this morning about 6:30, and all I wanted to do was throw my brows on, no lashes, no anything, and I threw them brows on literally in less than 5 minutes. So this is the kit right here, and it's called the Perfect Eyebrows in Seconds, and it's literally in seconds. If you have a hard time doing your brows, okay? If you have a hard time doing your brows, and this right here this is the GOAT. This is the GOAT of the brow, okay? If you have a hard time doing your brows, you can get them done in seconds, literally in seconds. So I'm gonna show you guys the kit. It's awesome. It is awesome. So what comes in this kit is stencils, the pomade, a sponge brush, a dual end spoolie and angle brush. It says all enclosed in a zipper pouch for your beauty drawer or handbag. And this is right here. I already took it out because, again, I've used it. And when I tell you, like, this is chef's kiss, baby. It's for me. Yeah, I don't know how to do no eyebrows. I done said it over and over again. Let me take that back. I know how to do eyebrows. I just can't get them like I want them to. I can't get them like I want them to. I like them perfect. The girls' eyebrows on here, y'all, the eyebrows be beautiful and flawless, and I can't get that, but now I can. Now I can get the brows that I want, okay? So this is the little pouch that it comes in, okay? A little cute little zipper little bag right here. Just cute and simple. We don't care about the bag. We want to know what's in this damn bag, okay? The bag is really cute though. It really, really is. So this is the spoolie that they're talking about right here. And I have very little eyebrows, so we finna change that all up. And eyebrows, listen, eyebrows are very important. Eyebrows frame the face. I don't care what nobody say. In my opinion, your eyebrows, the eyebrows can make or break your look. So that's why I'm super excited. I'm super excited because now I don't have to struggle. I don't have to struggle with my brows. So this is for those who struggle with their brows, for those who has perfected it. Yes, you can definitely benefit because, again, it takes seconds. So let me shut up. Let me shut my mouth and let me show you guys. So here's the spoolie right here. It has a brush on the end, and then it has the little angled detail brush right there. They sent over this is one of the main tools. What is this called? I'm not sure. Let me get the little thing out. It also comes with a little detailed little booklet right here to walk you through. Let me show y'all. So it has a little detailed little booklet right here that can walk you through, which it's super simple. It's super, super simple. So here's the little pamphlet, little booklet right here, and it walks you through on how to do it. But anywho, so this is that. So it has this little What do I want to call this? I don't know what I'm gonna call this, but this, it's a tool, and as you can see, I've used it already. But it's a soft little tool that you use, and this is what's gonna give you your perfect brow. Okay. The only thing that I can say about this particular set is that the pomade that they sent me was black, and I typically don't like to use black, only because it's a little harsh for my skin tone. In my opinion, I like to use a dark brown, but other than that, they have different shades. So you can get the shade of your choice. But this is the brow pomade, and it's number 8. That's the color. It is number 8 right there. But we still finna get the perfect brow. So let me show you guys. So it comes with that, which this pomade is really good. It's really good. All right, so that is that. Let me show you guys the stencils. Now they have different looks, like different eyebrow shapes. They have different eyebrow shapes in these little bags right here. And I want to say, I don't know if one is a right or left. I end up using this one. So they come with a lot of different shapes. I've used this one. I had washed it off so I can show you guys on this video. Anywho, I used this one this morning. And I like more of a elongated tail, but this one still looks really good. And then, like I said, I don't know if it's right or left, because all I did was take this like this, put it on here, and then I took it on the opposite side and then did that one. They looked amazing. So they got this shape right here. Let me get something to, I don't know if I can show you. So there's one right there. That's the shape. And again, it comes with two little bags. So this is super dope. I'm super excited. I'm finna open this one up. I haven't checked them all out yet, so we finna look at them right now. Okay, so they have different sizes as well. I like that one. Is this, okay, I like that one. And then they got this one. I hope y'all can see them. Let me put it up against something. No, not that. See them, but they got that one. This one. That one's nice. Okay, that's more of an arch. That one. I think I might go for this one. We'll see. Okay, and then I don't know if this is a right or left one. I didn't look, but they give you a lot of options. They give you a lot of options. So again, I don't know if these are the same or if they just right and left. Cute. Okay. And they got numbers on there too. So I think it's just a right and a left. Okay, so we got that one. I like that one as well. Okay. And then you have these ones. That one. And then this one. So I do believe they give you 2 bags for right and left. And let me see. These are 4 and 4. Yeah, so 4 and 4. So the bags are, the 2 bags that you get with the stencils, they're for the right and for the left. So I think I'm going to go with this one. Let me show y'all. I'm so excited. Let me shut my mouth. Okay, I'm done showing y'all everything that came in that bag. So all you do with this is you pop this out. Wait, somehow, I don't know, you peeled this off, but it didn't stick. So I peeled that off, just some plastic. Okay, and then I'm gonna pop that out. Just like that, so I pop that out. And then I'm going to stick this on how I want it. Okay. It's probably better to do this when you don't have any makeup on. That way you ain't getting makeup, because I can see I'm already getting makeup and stuff like all over this, but it's okay. So yes, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take this up here and I'm gonna line it up how I want it. And then I'm gonna take the brow tool right here, which is super soft, you guys. It is very soft, so it's not uncomfortable, it's not hard at all. Wait till y'all see these damn brows. Wait till y'all see my brows. And then I'm gonna take I got the pomade open and ready. So all I'm gonna do first, I'm gonna dip this into here. It's like a little bouncy little sponge thing, and you get your product on here. You get your product right on the tool, just like so. So you just dip it in there. And now I'm going to line this up how I want it. This damn jacket too tight. So I'm gonna line it up how I want it. And I'm gonna show you guys, I'm gonna give myself the perfect brow. And I'm gonna hold it like that. And I don't wanna go so harsh being that it's so black. You know what I mean? I don't wanna go so harsh. And you probably wanna do this before you put your makeup on. Seems like it'll be a hell of a lot easier. So I'm just going in very light, okay? And you don't want to move it. You do not want to move it. And I'm dipping in the dip brow very lightly because I don't want them to be super dark. Okay, I think I got them on there. I want to go a little bit darker, but I don't want it to, I don't look good with super dark eyebrows. Again, you want to be very cautious and you want to take your time, okay? All right, so we're gonna take it off. I think so voila, there you have it. There you have it. Beautiful. Again, don't go like, just make sure you get the right color. That's it. I think that is flawless. That took me a little minute, but that was quicker than it would to do it with a pencil than it would with this. So I'm very pleased. Next, I'm gonna just wipe this off. Even though we do have, I have another number 5, but I got these all over the place. So I got them scattered all over the table. Let me see if I can find a number 5. So we have 1 and 2 and 3. They're numbered. There's 3. There's 2. There's 4. There's 1. Yeah, I got them all over. So there's 2 sets for each brow. There's 2 sets for each brow, right and left. So I'm gonna flip this over here and put this on as well. And I'm gonna line that up. There we have it. The brows are on. Again, they're on. They may not be even, but again, that's on me. That's on me because I got my brows all jacked up. But anywho, that is it. I think that is beautiful. I think they, again, they have all different types of shape, you guys. They got different shapes, which I think they got like 5 different shapes, and you have one for each eye. And these are washable. You just take a little cloth, rag, a napkin, rinse them under some water, and you have your perfect eyebrows. So I absolutely love this. Again, the tool was super soft. The eyebrows look good. Okay, it looks good. It was quick. It was super quick. I don't know. I'm loving them. That was easy. I'm feeling that. I'm really feeling that. I'm really, and then this is good. This is really, really good. I like that. I love that. So that is it, you guys. That was my quick little rant on these brows. Again, if you have issues with your brows, you guys, ladies and gentlemen, honey, if you have issues with your brows, this is perfect. I mean, it don't get no better than this. I was super excited. I was super excited. Again, I think it comes with 5 each. Good, okay? I didn't spend 30 minutes, and if I want to take some concealer and line them up or do what I do, then I can. But other than that, they are on. It was quick. I loved it. You can get a big jar of pomade, which will last you forever. You get your spoolie so you can go through and, you know, brush your brows, clean them up. They look amazing, okay? They look freaking amazing. And then this tool right here is excellent. I'm not sure if this is washable or not. I'm sure it is. I'm sure you can rinse it under some water, just like we do with our eyebrow brushes. Wash it with some dish soap or what have you, or makeup spray, like your makeup cleaning spray. This little package was dope. This little package was dope. So this is what I'm gonna be using from here on out, okay? I'm gonna be using this from here on out because that was super quick. This was beautiful. I love my brows. And then I can switch up my eyebrow style because I have stencils in here that'll work. So I love that, you guys. Let me know, for real. Like, let me know what y'all think. Do y'all like my brows? Do you not like my brows? Are you guys good at doing brows, or are you like me? I love these brows. I like these brows. I'm excited. The brows look good. I don't care what y'all say now. Again, I have a hard time doing my brows, so this was right on time. So with that being said, I want to thank you, IMETHOD Beauty, for sponsoring this video. Thank you for helping a sister out, because these brows is nice. I really feel good about myself. I mean, it's the perfect, like, it's the perfect brow. And I do like them a little longer, but again, I got choices. If I don't like these, I can wipe it off and make it longer. So other than that, I'm loving this. I'm loving it. So IMETHOD Beauty, I want to thank you for sponsoring this video. Thank you for sending me over this brow kit, for real. Like, this is beautiful. This is amazing. This just chopped my makeup time down, okay? It really did, because I struggle to do brows. But now I don't have to struggle to do no brows no more. A sister got the key to the brows, okay? I got the key to the brows, and it's sitting right here. That is it. So that is it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Let me know what you think about this eyebrow kit, and let me know what your favorite eyebrow pencil is. And that is it. The eyebrows are sitting, okay? They're sitting. The eyebrows are sitting, okay? They're not going anywhere. And that is it. The link will be down in the description box if you guys are interested, okay? The link will be down below. And that is it for this video. Let me go. I need to cook, and yeah, I will see all you beautiful people in my next video. I am ego tripping, and I'm out. Bye, y'all.